Welcome back again, my guys. In this video now, I'll show you a simple way to use Google Chrome extension on your mobile phone. A lot of people will have this challenge that okay, because they don't have the laptop, they can't do certain things on their phone or they can't do certain things online because it requires an Google Chrome extension. So I'll be showing you a simple hack, a simple way to get Google and to have Google Chrome extension on your mobile phone. I use it to do that or something that you want to do, particularly for maybe Amazon KDP publishers or whatever you do that requires Google Chrome extension. So I'll be showing you a simple way to get it. All right. So the first thing you do is you go to your Google Play Store. All right. So this is my Play Store here. So I'll go to Play Store like this. Then what I'll type in Kiwi browser. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then drop a comment and like so that the algorithm would take this video and show it to other people that need something similar, that needs this kind of video. All right. So what you do is you type in Kiwi browser, Kiwi, Kiwi. All right. So Kiwi is actually a browser that was created by some guys that works in Google. Understand? The same people that created the Chrome browser, they are the same people that created this Kiwi. So for me now, I'm not going to download it. All right. I'm not going to download it. So there is over 10 million downloads. Can you believe that? 10 million downloads and over 8,000 reviews. All right, so I'm not going to download this browser now because I have it installed on my phone. So what I'll do is I'll just update it and then go back to the video and continue. Right? So let's go now. Let's open now to my own Chrome and my own Kiwi browser, and then let me show you how it works. All right, so I'll scroll down to my Kiwi where I have my Kiwi browser. Okay, so this is my Kiwi browser. Click on my Kiwi browser and open. All right, so as it opens like this now, so what you just do is you type in Chrome extensions, Chrome extension store, Chrome extension, it's the same thing, right? So you click on it, and boom, to open for you. All right, network, still coming up. All right, so as you can see now, it has opened now. It has opened the extension. Can you see on a mobile phone? Something that you can't do normally with your Chrome browser, but this browser is crazy. Like guys, this browser is very, very crazy. So just go ahead and get it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this video is proved to be any form of valuable to you. All right, so what we'll do now is you click on this store here. Okay, let me go back. All right, so you click on store here. This is here. That's what you click on, and then to bring it up, so you can now install whatever Chrome, whatever in plugin you want to, whatever extension you want to. Okay, so now let's say for you guys that run adverts and there's this Chrome extension that is very, very important that helps you find adverts, other people's adverts, so you can get ideas from them or see what's working in the market and then replicate the same thing. So it's called Facebook Ad Finder. So let's find it and see if it's here. Facebook Ads Finder. Okay, so can you see? This is it here. Facebook Ads Finder. So click on it and then you see it. I'm not going to install it on my phone. I'm not going to install it, but I don't need it for now. All right, so can you see? So what you just do is you click on it. You click on the particular Chrome or the particular extension that you need. You click on this is the Facebook ads. Okay, this is ads library and ad finder. Okay, this is actually the one I'm looking for here. This one here, this second one. Right, so click on it. Click on this. They're all ads to. So as you can see now, there are over 200,000 installations or users of this extension. All right, so what this extension does is it helps you find ads on Facebook. So once you have it on your phone or your desktop or your phone, it will block out every other natural post, any other organic post, and then it will only show you ads, and then you can begin to filter and search through and then get inspirations about ads that work. So how to use this now? What you just do now is you just click on this icon here, add to Chrome. You understand? Let me just do it for the sake of this video. I mean, remove it later, or it can just be there. Just add to Chrome. Add to Chrome. Then click on OK. Click on OK, and then boom, it's there already. So you see it's checking, and then once it's done, it will inform you. All right. So can you see now it's showing remove? Can you see it's showing remove? It's showing remove now because it is already installed. See, showing remove because it's already installed. All right, let's go back to the other side and see. So it's not open. All right, this is my Facebook account on this Kiwi browser. Now let me show you something very important again. Once you have already installed your Chrome, once you have already installed the Chrome extension, what you have to do is click on these 3 dots here, these 3 dots. All right, you click on 3 dots, and then you go scroll down. So these are all the extensions I've already installed on my phone. So what you just do is you click on the particular one that you want to use at the particular time. You click on it, and then see, you can now activate whatever you want to activate. Scroll or auto scroll or show blah blah blah, and then you continue. So let's go back. Unfortunately, no ad was found. No ad found. Please try again. Please try to find the first manually, whatever. All right. So, but then I hope you understand what we just done here. So that's how it works. So that's how you download. That's how you get access to Chrome extensions on your mobile phone. Before it's not possible. You can't do it. But with this app now, you can easily do it. You have access to Google Chrome extensions on your mobile phone, and then you don't have any excuse to say, okay, I can't do certain things because of I don't have the extension. So if you find this video valuable, please subscribe to my channel, and let's get to 1K subscribers, and then share the video, comment, and let me know if you have any challenge. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any challenge, and I'll be here to assist you get solutions. All right, thank you and enjoy your day.